Hadin wami biang I auri aura haki benta kapot ke blok 1 haki ni hajak sengi. Ite to neda wawan penyen signboard ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council hachnong Khanduli. Ia auri wan hayato wa ithau rep wawan rep dak jaj bru Karbi hachnong Mojam. Najrong ichna sarok ke Assam hakat kasla hadu Kermi. Ni kesengi ki ar distrik yong ki ar jela wa kentup ya ke West Karbi Anglong distrik yong ke jela Assam. Wa ke West Giant Hill District yang ke jela Meghalaya. Daya cem ki ha conference room ke yung krek kam UDC ke West Giant Hill District hajwai. Nei benta uya kelam hajrong kamon uwanra. Ye chong suk hakitain kapun. Nei liang ki board district ke West Karbi Anglong da emlang ke Deputy Commissioner ke Krishna Barwa, USP u Indranil Barwa, dai lang wo wiu Assistant Commissioner. Kadwa nei liang ki board district ke West Giant Hills wan da MU Deputy Commissioner UBS Solia, USP US Serting ke DSP ke Silang do, ki Magistrate, naite u Deputy CM ke JHADC ulas ki Rembai, wakiwi wan ki MDC. Hadin ke yalang dayo iya kelam wa ke DC ke West Karbi Anglong, ke Krishna Barwa, ke wadaban hajrong IM kam uyo iya krek lang ki pajba wachong hakitain kapun, dailang wa ki board district nang yodam ujur ikan ad hadin habun. Dong harogo wani liang ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council hawale ko yi wani kampen roy mju pentip ko chagi board district we yi uman neni idaw tumi ikulmar. Heju ipor penrap harogo wadaw pa yutip ki chagi board ke Autonomous Council wo pentip ko ye yi wo mud ko chna ne wanra ki kampen roy knang yu yi upene ye chong suk chong changai. Hawa keliwan la kachnong Khanduli haap ko ha Assam ne Meghalaya ne bah dang hakini kisngi ki bor ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council wan penyen signboard krong dan ko hachnong Khanduli do jubab ko dei woong kat kam kamap wa MG ke Khanduli haap ko hapo upur wuang ke West Karbi Anglong district. Deputy Commissioner ke West Giant Hill District wan ongu wani liang yong ki kat wayi uyale ki wa wanra I chong suk chong changain we yi wajia Khanduli ki board district ke West Karbi Anglong daw ya klam ki yo penyen no ya ka signboard chakwi ka thaw wa hun lang ki pajba. Heya to won wo pentikna ya upur uang woro arngut kini ki district yong ki ar district onggi kadwa kat ni da regional committee ha ki ar district yong kini ki ar jela yo pen bajpon kani higa committee wo paj wo bichar chwa chim yak rai.
We have conveyed whatever we feel so that this kind of situations do not arise in future and we can have a peaceful situation out there because people over there are very simple. Okay, they don't want any kind of disturbance, but whatever happens, say third party comes up, then they incites the people, then it happens. So basically we will be having more coordination with the grassroots level, say all from the grassroots level, from the police administration and from us. We already have a very close relations with everyone, but the main thing happens say in the grassroots level, they may not be aware of what is happening. So these things should be shared very frequently with each other, and we want to resolve the issues as soon as possible, as because we have the regional committee from here also and from Assam also. They will meet soon, and with the highest authorities approval it will be solved very soon. And these revenue matters, the revenue matters as it is, as we have discussed already, the revenue matters here it is from joint tier councils, under the joint tier councils, and from us also it is for the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils. So any development activities, this is their autonomy is there. So whatever they do, they don't inform us. Because that's why maybe this is happening. So we will convey the message to them that whatever the construction work, development work they will be doing, if they inform us, then I will be definitely informing the district administration. Or say revenue point of view or revenue documentation, whatever we had a discussion with the revenue officials. They stated as per their map, whatever the map we have, the Khanduli they stated it is within the jurisdiction of our district.
Police would meeting menera West Karbi Anglong, Iwan DC, SP, WU Assistant Commissioner. Nakalian jungi nilai download, including JTS District Autonomous District Council Group. Jika nilai shim ke rai, keren kelong ba. Kini nakalian ke District Administration of West Karbi Anglong DC dan SP. Kin kendu iaitu ki members of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Asya kesmi kin batai ya kejingrai jadi menet kita kebolong ba jadi lek kepala ai ban nundang su onu ka jinya kenat ini nu ka kam ke ba manra ai ka makta ai ka suk kesan jadi kita di kinra ai kata sa council kin ya ka baja Khanduli kin sapen pau hi sa council tu ya ka taxation giat ba mri ban bu su ham tu ban bu no sa ko jaka ki ba ki hun ki ba jom ka Khanduli keputar sebelum tidak tip hi minta bikidan ki arti ini regional committees kawai jong West Hills kawai jong West Karbi Anglong bede begitu kam kisarai sampai hadu kepu jong regional committees ni mentangi pecua tangi ka law and order kanum don kanu ka breakdown in law and order bakal don kanu ka clash kanum don kanu ka jinya mensal ni jinya Islam nah kanu kalian ini pecua kata di jam kam jong jaka kita itu kisaran yang siapa dah kami kapol boleh song di regional committees bang mendekkan dulu nama regional committee jongka West Karbi Anglong.